Good evening, everyone. And I'm Max. I'm coming out from GCRC, and so let's begin our today's analysis for you guys. Okay, just firstly, wait a second. Let's find about the economic calendar for you guys. Economic calendar. So today the most important here. Alright, just wait a second, guys. All right, so there is this week, right? Tuesday morning or Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, the most important data today is this initial jobless claims. So as you guys can see on this page here, the prediction was 210K, but the actual one is 205K, right? So, oh, right, this is the previous one. This is the previous one. Okay, so this is lower than we think at right here. So the prediction one is 210K, but the actual data was 207K, which is lower than the prediction, right? It's lower than the expectations. So for you guys knowing, if you guys wanted to trade with the data, you must know that the logic of data. Okay. So right now it is lower than the 207K, which is lower than the 210K, which means there is less people that actually okay, here. So there is actually less people that have made the balance or have working. So which means the economic is better than we think, right? So the inflation is much higher than we think. So the Federal Reserve gonna just stay the hex. They wanna raising the interest rate decision, right? So this is good for the USD index up. So this is if the USD goes up, then such as the gold and the stock which has calculated by the USD will just goes down, right? So they go gold and stock, they gonna just goes down. Okay, so this is the logic of yesterday's here, right? This is when it have the reaction at this point here. Just after the data was released, the power just getting down at these candles, at those two candles. You can see 8:30, I remember. Yeah, 8:30. So the prices just goes down. So yesterday I told you guys the two ways we can do the short. So the first places is just at right here. And just right here. You can see the recording of yesterday's live stream. Right? So I told you guys that we can do the short at just right here, which is 1828, and we can do another short at 1834. So those two prices is a good, it's good. It actually a good price that we can do the short, and as you guys can see, it goes down like the prediction, and the target price which we give you guys was 1850, just as right here. You see, just as right here, it have been raised to the prices. All right, so let me give this. Okay, and the target price, and this is the stop loss line as just right here. So which we did this trading is coming out from this supply range. You can see it. You see this supply range. So we made the supply, made the stop loss line will be just at right here at 80.30, and the prices just soon it goes down as we predict before, and the prices just break out the 1815 and right here. So after it break out this, you can see the trend has been break. You see the trend has been break already here. Okay, so even if the price coming back, we're gonna still stay with the short. Okay, we're gonna stay with the or you can see the bearish candles. Okay, so if you wanted to do this short, we're gonna to maybe here we're gonna to make a higher stop loss line, but the target price will be really good for you guys. You can see I have drawn this line at the day before yesterday, which is let me see, the Wednesday. Okay, the Tuesday I have gave you guys the order. The price is gonna fall into 1804, and so I actually think right now is a good time that we can do this short. So we're gonna take a big target price just right here, which made the ratio is 2.76, which is a really good ratio. You can see, right? It's a really good ratio. So we're gonna just do some short at right here, and you're gonna have a good ratios, and we have a good win rate. So this is a definitely good prices that we can do the short. All right, I'm gonna just give you guys the short. I just short at right now on my own account, but for the live stream I cannot show you guys this. Okay, so this is the prediction for the gold, and we need to see the SPX. So the SPX is the same thing. Okay, so firstly, the prices at right here yesterday, at the same time yesterday, I told you guys this range is a supply range. All you can see is actually a breakout structure here, right? It's a breakout structure. So whether or not the prices will just go for a conservative target price, which are just right here. Okay, this is a conservative target price. Why? You can see the target price have been made here. Okay, the last two candles are here. The last two candles are here, and then the opposite power just push the prices up, and then another prices coming back to push the price once again. So as you guys can see, this is the first time it push up. Then which means there has someone they want to push the prices up. Understand me? They wanted to push the prices up just at right here. Okay, so if the price is getting down to break out here at this point, you can see at this point at 4,222, then they're gonna be a dangerous. Okay, they're gonna be sign. This is a sign that it's a little bit dangerous. Understand? Okay, I'm gonna just close this. Okay, because so firstly, so let me explain you guys why we can predict even if we only have one opposite candle. So you can see the opposite candle just right here, right? But here is the first time the opposite candle coming out to goes up after it touched 4,222, right? And then it break out to make a lower low at 4,222. So which means this point right now it started to have someone that to want to push the prices up. Okay, so which means there is a enter of the bullish side. So after this breakout 4,222, then there gonna be more bullish side guys to push the power up, to push the prices up, to make the power. And you can see it just goes up, and then the prices have been made a consensus at this range. You can see or supply range if you guys have known the supply and demand. So after it touched this range, they still want to compete with each other. They're gonna have the battles. They're gonna have the winners. Those two sides. They gonna to decide which the direction is, which the winner is, and we just follow the winners. But from the time you can see this breakout takes all these candles are just right here, right? And this breakout just those candles, right, are just right here. You can see the time is not longer than this one. This one is shorter, right? This one is longer. So which means the longer time make longer capitals and more capitals. So which we don't think the power can be beat at this capital. Okay. So which we still stay with our bearish side. Okay, we're gonna still short this. Okay, it's gonna to make a lower low, maybe tonight. Okay, maybe tonight. So our target price for tonight is 4,188. Okay, we just stay the plan that we did yesterday. All right, just wait a second, and I need to. All right. So, okay, this is the prediction of SPX, and so for you guys knowing that we provide data analysts every day, and in the live stream, I'm mainly talking about the Go and the SPX 500, and if you guys want the detailed daily analyst every day, you can get in touch with me and follow me, and my assistant Freddy will give guys a touch. Okay, give you guys the data analyst for detailed. Okay, we also providing some capitals for you guys if you don't have so much money to trade stock. Okay, so right now is another thing we're gonna do. Okay, for the ideas every day we're gonna do this. SP 500, they gonna to do the long. Okay, I don't think this is a good idea. I stay with the short. Everybody, I stay with the short, falling due to unfavorable economic condition. It's not about the economic condition, guy. It's not. Okay, so the next one. Okay, long Bitcoin. Okay, so this is a definitely good prices that we can do to do the line here. So this man is really good because firstly he have the trains. He had the trains of the Bitcoin. You can see there's two blue lines here, right? And then there is a demand range which is good. Okay, which the power has been made just at this range, at those two sides, right? The two edges. So once the price is getting back, we're gonna do the buying. Okay, which is good. And the next one, 50 minutes. Uh, Pushing it up and then to goes down. I don't know why you take this as a supply range, and this is a 15 minutes chart, which is not good. Okay, which is not good. 15 minutes chart, the supply range is always not accurate. You know, so better not to do this. Okay, the next one. Key support level. Okay. Uh, this is not key. This is not key support level. This is not, man. Long bullish pounds. Demand range, good demand range for daily, and the trend goes up to here. I don't agree with this actually. Only if the price is to break out 1.20460 at right here. Only if it break out this. Whether or not it's gonna just go down, you know. Okay, the short, the liquidity, liquidity. channel upper. This channel is really not good. It have been it have been dismissed. Right, this is not good. Okay, the prices goes up. Trading active. Okay, getting back the euro. This bro gonna just losing his money, you know. You cannot to take this target. If you wanna just making profit, you better to remove your target price into here 1.056232 right here. This is so much dangerous if you take the target price out right here. This is not good, man. But I gonna follow this one. Okay. So the next one, US dollar getting down, double shoulders. Okay, uptrend line have been break. Okay, so much complicated. So if I saw this, I only need one thing, guys. I only need one thing, that this power have been made by this candle and this one and this red candles. Here you can see this red candle. You can see actually the direction have been made. A pullback, and a strong pullback actually. It goes down, it will goes down. This is great. Wow, this is so great. Resistance zone, good. Support zone, good. Heavy support zone, upper trend. Yeah, this prediction is all good. This is so good. I'm giving his a hit. Okay. If the prices goes lower than one, get the short position. Short position. US dollar, Canada. Okay, the trend. All right. No way. The daily chart is too complicated to analyze here. And you're gonna need a lot of money to hold your position. SP 500. This is definitely not right, man. This is definitely not right. They don't have the comparison. This is not right. Okay. Prices get up. Okay. Alright, so today's analysis for you guys is ending, and I hope you guys like my video here. And I just been working out today and a little bit tired actually. So but we stay with the live stream every day, and I hope you guys can see you 2 day later, okay? And we providing a data analyst mostly about gold and SPX 500, and we're also providing some capitals for you guys. And if you want to trade with me, just follow me, subscribe. See you guys. Hope you guys like my video here. Yearly resistance. Wow, this bro is so good. I like this guy, even though he don't have the logic, but he use just so complicated indicators and so many details. Wow, this guy is definitely good. Heavily supposing, heavily supposing. He didn't have the gold trading. Apple, New Zealand, Bitcoin, index, Bitcoin, go. Okay, continue to fall. The daily chart. Fall to here. Yearly pivot point. So by his view, he don't think this gonna just pivot right now. Good idea. Good view. Okay, so now I gonna close the live stream here, and I gonna have some research on this one. Okay, goodbye, guys.